Hello, this is the replacement of a knock sensor in a 2012 Chevy Cruze 1.8 liter no turbo car. This is what the knock sensor looks like. This is the replacement, which was about $10. I'll link it below. The knock sensor's in a really tricky spot. It's located underneath, kind of on the back side of the engine, and you can really only see it from the underneath side of the car. First, you're going to need to disconnect the battery. You don't want to short anything accidentally. Underneath the car, you're going to want to locate the knock sensor. There's only one bolt holding it on. It is a Torx E12 size or a 10 millimeter wrench or socket size. And then there's going to be one clip holding the knock sensor in, and then the electronics part at the bottom, which you're also going to need to squeeze and remove. But in order to get to the knock sensor, you're going to need to remove a bracket in the way. There's two bolts on that bracket. It's a Torx E10 or an 8 millimeter socket or wrench will work to remove that. This is a really tricky spot to work in, so you're going to need to use a combination of ratchets and sockets, extensions, wrenches, long pliers to be able to get and remove that knock sensor and replace it. And the same way that you remove it is the exact same way that you're going to replace it. Sorry we weren't able to get any video of the actual replacement. Like I said, it is a very small and tricky area to work in, but hopefully this is helpful anyway, and good luck.